Hello everybody, I'm Adam from the iNimbleSloth channel.
And I'm Baby Sloth.
And today I've got this thing that we're going to open.
Yes.
And it's to do with a ZX Spectrum. So let's find the best way, or the best place to insert this knife. I'm thinking here.
Where the tape is.
Just where the tape is, very clever. Right.
Looks like we've cut it.
It looks like I did cut it.
I think we need to do the sides.
Do need to do the sides. Which side shall I do?
Both of them.
Along here?
Yeah.
Down here I think needs doing. Down here as well.
Yeah. So open.
I don't think that went in enough. What's going to be in here then, Baby Sloth?
I think I might have an idea.
You might have an inkling.
I'm not going to say anything, but I might have an idea.
You might have the slightest idea. Right then.
Can I open it?
Can you open it? Yeah. There you go. Ooh.
Yes! Bubble wrap! I knew it.
And some tape. Let's get the
Yes.
knife out again. Dun, dun, dun.
I knew it.
Slice.
Slice.
Okay. Oh, this feels good. Box will go to the side. So, let's have a look here. We're going to gently
cut
not
it open. Need to
just
cut
along
that little
here,
bit.
put the knife in. Need to cut that little bit, you're right. Okay. Put the knife away.
Oh, it's orange.
Oh wow.
Oh my god.
Wow.
That is very...
Look
like,
at
that.
that.
Makes my eyes hurt.
So this is going to be stuck down over the top of that.
Right? Make it.
You have to put it together, yeah, because we've got to put the computer on the inside, and then this is the keyboard.
Whoa, can I feel it?
Yeah, you can feel it.
Whoa, it's like wobbly.
So in here, look, it's yeah, wow. Then we've got the membrane.
There's the buttons.
Yeah, and then inside here, do we have to? Oh, it's already got a screw in. What we could do,
We need a screwdriver.
we could bear with me one moment.
Open the cupboards of...
Open the cupboards of cupboardness. I don't have the correct side to hand, but I do have this. That will fit in. Okay.
Is it working?
Yep.
Good. I think there's tons of them.
There will be, ideally. Okay.
It's like... Oh, no, there wasn't locked.
So this will pop into the circuit board. That's
Where's
going to
the
go into here.
circuit?
The circuit is what I'm going to be making. So this is from
How do you
ZX
make
Renew.
it? How do you make it?
You will have to watch my video. Oh look, we've got the feet and the
Where
screws
did
to
you
put
get
it
all the
together.
parts?
Where do I get the parts from? You'll have to look at the link below in the description.
Is this just like the shell?
This is just the shell, correct. So we've got the bottom of the case, which the ZX Spectrum board will go into. This will then be plugged into that board, and then this will sit on the top. Okay, and then this will go on top of there. Look at this, orange. Orange.
Was it? Did you ever have one of these?
I've never had one of these.
Oh,
Look at that orange. Oh wow.
snazzy.
So we'll be able to load some games, boop, 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 and play.
Oh, they're like proper buttons. This
Yeah, it's not like the membrane. So that's this video over. It's just a quick introduction into this Sinclair ZX Spectrum replacement case in orange.
Yes.
And,
did you order it in orange?
Yes, I did order it in orange.
Or was there any other colours?
There was other colours. There was blue, green, black,
Why did
white.
you get it in orange?
I fancied orange. One thing I will say, I'm going for. I can't remember the make of the name of the vid. Start again. I can't remember the name of the board I'm going for, but it does have an extra connection here. So on the original ZX Spectrum, you've got video out and your audios for your tape recorder.
Yeah.
And you've got your power supply. This board that I'm going to be building has also got in here an RGB output, so I'm going to have to measure up and drill a hole through there.
Yes.
So yeah, this is pretty much the end of this video, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do come back, watch the building of the board, and then watch the playing.
I can hear the cat meowing.
You can hear the cat meowing. She wants to be in the video again.
Like always.
Meow, she goes. Anyway,
Meow.
thank you very much for watching. Take care. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
A symbol. Oh wow! Look at this. Look at this.
I don't. Oh, you use the arrows, don't you?
Yeah, I found this rather challenging when I played.
Press any other.
Any key to start. Get ready to go.
Where? How do I?
That's
no,
it.
no.
Left, up, down. Oh no, they're coming. They're coming. Oh, well, they're super fast. They're super.